Hello everyone. In this video, we will discover how to resize the cursor pointer and customize it. In the search bar, enter Settings. Select it. From the menu, choose Ease of Access. And from the left menu, you will see all the options. Choose Cursor and Pointer. In the Change Pointer Size and Color section, you can reduce and increase the size of the cursor. So as soon as you resize it, or you can preview. So if you want to change the pointer color as well, you can change it. There is a section Change Pointer Color. So below that you can choose the available option. If you want to change the color of the cursor pointer, you can change it. You can customize it. There are few colors available, so you can also pick the custom pointer color. Just click on Pick a custom pointer color and you can choose the color based on your preference. Once done, you can click Done. Yes, the pointer color is successfully changed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.